freaking disaster. What's up, y'all? Travis is gone with the kids and I am just trying to catch up on some editing. By the time of this video, I'm not sure how many videos have went up. Like, I don't even know what episode we're on. I don't know. So this morning we went to eat, and then after that we went to Walmart to get some stuff to repair the walls and stuff like that. And then we went to Lowe's. We were looking for a new outdoor light because Travis broke that one trying to get the bird's nest out. So we have to get a new outdoor light. We also need to get a new door. Last thing I showed y'all, the kids and Travis was over there by the fireplace. So when Travis went over there to put the tape down, because we bought some spray. This is the spray that we bought, flame resistant. One of you guys, somebody commented back when we were doing the fireplace and was like, make sure you get some type of fire resistant paint just in case you want to light the fireplace. We're in Georgia. There's no need to light fireplaces, but we are renting our home. So the renters may want to light a fire one day. So we got to get this just so they don't set the house on fire. So anywho, when Travis was over there about to lay the painter's tape, he like moved, his finger kind of like slipped on the paint or on the black paint or something, and it just scraped the whole paint off. So you can literally pull the paint off of the around the fireplace. So I think it's like that because of the material. It's like tile. What is it? Ceramic. It's not ceramic. I don't know. It's like tile around the fireplace. So obviously you're not supposed to paint over that. So that's why the paint is just so easy to come off of it. So once he pulled it off, I was like, it actually kind of goes with the rest of the fireplace. So as you can see, you can just, the kids are working on this side, but you could just literally like pull the paint off like that. And it actually kind of, it goes with the rest of the fireplace. So I got the tile at the bottom. Let me turn the brightness down. The tile at the bottom was last. We ended up getting that part on here last. So I didn't know it was gonna go. So we just painted it to make it look okay for the time being. And we had another person come out and lay this tile. But Travis was over here earlier pulling all the holes. This was left from the owners, the original owners. And he was doing that earlier. So we gotta paint that. And then we have to paint this area of the wall too. I have like so much laundry to do, y'all. It's just so much to do, y'all. The packers come tomorrow and it's so jacked up. They have been calling us nonstop. It's just been so messed up, y'all. They were trying to come yesterday, but I got Travis from the airport yesterday. The kids had appointments yesterday, just did not work. And we didn't even know that they were gonna come yesterday until they called and said they were an hour away. And I'm like, who told y'all to come today? But anywho, so it was all jacked up. And so they're coming tomorrow, but supposedly they're only coming to pack the TV and the big picture that we had on this wall, which makes no sense. So they will be here tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday. Absolutely insane. I don't understand. I really just don't understand. I'm already frustrated. But I need to go ahead and do some laundry because I don't know who's to say they won't come tomorrow and continue and just start packing. We don't know. So we'll just have to see. But this evening we'll probably just do and patch up some things around here and also do some laundry. Don't really have much cleaning to do, y'all. The island is a hot mess. Every time Travis comes to town, this island looks like this. Every time. Every time. This island can get real janky quick, but not this. Never. It never gets like this unless Travis comes to town. I blame him. Today is when the Packers come. I am so exhausted. So exhausted. We're not sure what time they're coming. It's between like 8 and 11 or something. But I am so exhausted. So we gotta start like getting stuff together. We have to pull down the TV sometime this morning. I'm tired. So tired.
A real lover girl, I'll give you all the feels. Step into my world. I promise you'll love it here with me. And all this film energy. When I feel safe, when I feel hurt, when I can trust you at your word, that makes me feel soft. I'm just a girl ready to nurture you. When I feel safe, when I feel hurt, when I can trust you at your word, that makes me feel soft. I'm just a girl ready to nurture you. Feel energy, don't let it hear me.
Alright, y'all, so the first truck comes today. And they're only picking up the TV and this big picture that was in the living room. Make it make sense. I don't understand, but that's what they're doing. And then they gotta come back tomorrow and they packing the house.
That always eyes are killing me. And he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time, all the time. And my heart's beating fast when he's looking like that. Oh, his smile is killing me. It's the way that he moves and the way that he laughs, so I can't get enough. Thinking about him all the time. I can't get him off my mind. Oh, I want him to be mine, to be mine. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, yeah, yeah.
Brian.
You ready to move?
Yeah.
Hi, how are you?
Alright. You gonna take it the whole house?
Yep, today.
The whole house?
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
You watch.
Yep.
I don't want the whole house to be packed today.
Alright,
Y'all
this
said y'all only
guy.
coming to get this and the TV.
Huh?
Y'all only coming to get this and the TV.
What do you mean we only come to get this in
That's what they said.
Somebody lied to you?
Y'all packing up everything today? All right.
That's what
then.
they told
Take the walkthrough. What's going, what's staying? She's the boss. Talk to her.
That's the boss. Y'all talking to the wrong person.
What's going? Yes, good.
Yeah. Except for these clothes, but everything's gone.
Alright, what is going?
Mm-hmm. They are packing more than I thought today. They're packing everything but the large furniture. This house is a mess.
I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. Heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I wanna now, 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 now. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Y'all, this is a freaking disaster. Like, they keep calling. Somebody else just called and said that they're the people that's coming to pack up the TV. What? These people were packing up the TV. It's too much, y'all. And excuse my hair if I'm looking crazy, because I am.
I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if to feel like I was free. Now it's just broken pieces of me. I don't know why you pretend. No, I don't wanna be at your party, seeing you right next to somebody. Why do you keep on trying to when you know what we shouldn't do? Even though that I want you, why don't we go figure it? Yeah, 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 yeah. Out on our own. Yeah, I know what we said, I still think we should figure it. Yeah, 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 yeah. Out on our own. I just hope that we'll be okay. It's so difficult to see.
Everything is like packed up, y'all. All of the stuff in the room. This is stuff that is staying with us. Stuff that's staying. Closet is packed, y'all. Landon's room is pretty much packed. Lauren's room. Almost done, just the furniture. All right, so I don't think I showed y'all downstairs yet. They just left. They will be back tomorrow morning to finish packing. They're almost done. They just have a few more things to pack up. Upstairs is done. They just have to finish up down here. The garage is pretty much packed as well. Stuff over there. Yeah, this is day one. The kitchen is pretty much packed. He packed everything, y'all. Like, I didn't even think seasonings and all of that stuff got packed. He packed it all. Everything that was in here, all of my oats and all of that stuff, he packed everything. He didn't pack like liquids and cleaning supplies. And then he didn't pack any of this stuff, which is good because I need to clean. But I'll do my cleaning either Saturday or Sunday, or Monday and Tuesday of next week. He packed majority of the stuff in the pantry with some more items that he had left in here, but it's all good. I'm gonna figure it out and keep getting it together. The living room hasn't been packed. Still gotta pack this stuff over here. Tired? Hell, I told you that. Oh. Okay, well, the garage is just about done. Things pretty packed up. Almost done. We're on day 2. The movers are probably about 20 minutes out. They're headed here again. So I tore this off when we moved in, and we bought this last night. So hopefully this will help get all of that off. I'm gonna try to see. But we got a lot of painting. That's a little touch-up painting to do. We gonna let the man of the house do it, y'all, cause I got a little bit off, but yeah, they probably could do a much better job than me.
I sip on it. Take a trip on it. When a girl who can go slow, wind it up all night.